What's going on, guys? Stud Muffin here. Hey, on a serious note, can anybody help me with garage doors? Does anybody know where I can buy parts to garage doors? Have you ever tried to get into this garage door industry? Why it's such a protective industry? It's actually kind of honorable because nothing else is protected anymore, right? But go try and buy parts to your garage door. Unless it's a standard size 8x7 or 16x7 or even 9x7. Well, I have a unique situation and I'm asking for your help. So I got these new E-Transit vans and these are higher than 8 foot. So my garage doors are 9 foot wide and 8 foot tall. I want to remove that header. I can see my finger. Remove that header and just raise it up a foot and just get another panel and be done with it. But I can't find the panels. I can't buy them. I went to Home Depot. I went to Lowe's. So I need 9x9 residential raised panel doors. So why can't I just get a kit? Why do I have to buy a whole new commercial grade door or roll-up door? Now, they do have like roll-up doors like you see in self-storage, or I did see like really heavy, hardcore warehouse type doors. I don't want that. I want a residential style door, 9x9. Now, I know Menards had them. That was the only spot I saw online, but I'm in New Jersey. Menards is Midwest, and it's not in stock. So, I mean, I'll wait for them. I have to, but everybody's pointing me to go to a professional, right? So if you go to Home Depot and you inquire about it, they'll have someone call you who's a salesperson. Look, I don't want to waste anybody's time. I just want to buy the parts and do it myself. I enjoy doing this kind of work. This gets me away from my better half. I can come out here, have my cigars, have a Diet Coke, and work. And I really enjoy it. So it's a simple project, but now, in all seriousness, this is actually admirable and also frustrating. This garage door network is very close-knit. It's very like Overhead Door Company, all these places, they're hiding these secrets. They don't want us buying garage door parts except from Lowe's and Home Depot. You don't believe me? You go on Amazon or you go on eBay and you try to buy yourself a garage door and see what comes up. Put in there 9x9 residential garage door and this is what comes up. Nothing! Or a rolling steel door that looks like, come on, I don't want to have those rolling steel doors with those slats. Not 9 feet wide. I don't need that. I just need, actually, why can't I just buy a foot extension where I can extend vertically and horizontally 1 foot and then add one of these sections? Because they're different sizes anyway. That bottom one is 21 inches, then these are 18 inches. So Clopay is doing it anyway, and I know it's very simple. There's someone watching this video going, you're so dumb, because I am dumb. But I am the Stud Muffin, right? But I am so dumb, you're right. But I'm not in the industry. I can't get that. And again, I'll go to a place and buy the parts. I just don't like to waste people's time. I don't want to have a salesman come here and try to sell me on the install of new openers when I can do this myself. And not that, maybe I should do that. Maybe I should just say, you know what, come on, hire someone and take care of it. But I enjoy this kind of work, just like you guys. When you work with your hands, it's just something fun to do, and I want to do it. And plus, as the winter comes, I don't want my new E-Transit vans with those wraps just sitting outside, all weekend and all night. They need to come inside. They can be charged. So I'm going to do it, but hopefully you guys can leave me a comment. Can you help me with this? Can you tell me where to go to get parts? If anybody's watching this, maybe working for Clopay, I just need to raise these up 1 foot. I need 9x9. That's the opening. Right now I have 9x8. Sorry for this stupid video, but I want to reach out to any friends or anybody that could be watching this. Stud Muffin out. By the way, I would never buy this shirt. Someone sent me this shirt. I know it looks terrible, but I don't care. That's what's good about getting old.